engine. It's a glass bottle. It's in glass. We attach its bottom here to the bottom of the first bottle we take. Like this. No need to attach it with glue. Just attach them. You can do this anywhere, but not in the balcony. It will get lost. And we need the other two engines. For that, I need these two things, and these two bottles. It's so heavy. Remember not to fill them with water. My God, it's so heavy. And here's one, and the second one. And here are the two things we needed. You can use them. You can also make these things. You can also take rocks for these if you don't have them. I hope you have known what are these things. I'll keep it and sideways. After that, I'll attach this thing. Now, just like this, we are going to do the second one. Remember, you keep the rock in the down part here of the glass that we have put in the front of the bottle. Don't keep it at the back because the back makes the engine to work and the steam to go out. Remember, there should be no problem with this thing. This part is a very important part for the plane. If you don't have rocks, you can also use chakakuru. Guys, now we are going to make the fighter plane wing that shoots the missiles. But we are adding one more thing to the wing. A spoon. A big spoon. Now we are going to need 2 lighters for the missiles. And 2 choppers. What do we call it? Knife. We need 2 knives. Just like what we do in the real together like that. And we need the rock again. If your rock doesn't look like this, you can also use. If you don't have rocks, you can also. If you have chakra, you can use chakra. Because it is. I'm using chakra. It is holding everything together. Remember